wabarakatuh, dear students. Hope you are all fine. And today I'll show you how to create a sort of registration form in Excel by using Python. Hope you will like this program. No doubt it's little bit lengthy, but very useful one, and you learn today how, with the help of the kind of interface you get in Python, and with that you can create an Excel file. So there are few things which you should know, that little bit everyone knows about Excel, right? So you just need to create an Excel file first, and after that create a program in Python. Let me just start with my first as usual my first slide, so that those who are new to my channel and can just make a note of my email ID. My email ID is here, MOHDABDL60@gmail.60. Just make a note of it, and if you are having any doubt and all, just push, you can contact me. Okay, now today's program is about registration form in Python. With the help of that you can create a form and just save your data in Excel sheet. Here what is required is you need to just install open py-excel. Of course, this is when you are using Excel files in Python, just you need to install with the help of pip. You just install that one. After that tk enter. All of you have learned so many programs in tk enter, so I hope most of them have already installed that module. Okay, now what is required here is we are just defining a path where our file has been created. It is on my desktop, and this is the location of my file, which is Excel is my file name, and in dot extension is dot xlsx is the extension. And then define the sheet. That one is the standard format. You have to define that. The WB stand for workbook, and that is active, and define after that a function. What is that? The function is, I'm just defining that on the sheet where you are just defining your labels and all. So all those things you have to be very careful, and you have to arrange in a good order, so that your data is stored in a proper location. And also from A to G, I'm just defining the column width, and these are the width for, of course, for name you have to just give the little bit more number of characters. I mean the size of the variable, and address also a little bit more. You can notice that one. Okay, after that I'm just defining the label: name, course, semester, form number, contact number, email ID, and another address. So these are the things which is basically required whenever you go to any organization. What they ask you to fill the form first, whether you want, I mean like sort of inquiry, a sort of feedback they can take from you. It's like that. So you define that one. After that you have a focus on the particular field. What are the fields you are just defining? You have to just define this one: focus event 1 and focus 2, like that. So this is like you are jumping from one field to the another. So I'll not just repeat this one by, because all the function is that only. And then after that, what is required here is your, just when you fill the information and just want to clear all, then you just delete the contents from that one, so that you can enter the next record. That's what. And insert means what happen, it will go to the suppose if you have records already existing in the file itself. So what will happen, it will go to the location of the end of the file, and after that it will just add that record over there. That's the most important thing. You have to keep that in your mind. The new record should be added at the bottom of the every I mean in the sheet, every record should be added in the bottom of the file. Okay, that's what. And then what is required here is see, after that you have to save it. That is the most important task. Whatever you are adding, new things has to be saved, right? Just you have to save it, that one. Okay, and then what does happen here is, see, you are defining this. This is the command, guys. So it will call the main program, so that you can just execute. And when you are using a tk enter, you have to define the root, I mean the main window frame from where you start your window and how you define. And this tk stands for just an abbreviation, a short form of tk enter. Okay, so now you define the background as a green color, and then this is the title, guys. You define the title of your registration form and define this all the size and label one by one you can define. So form name, course, semester, and these are all the headings. Just define the label that way, and whatever I have defined here, just follow that syntax. L should be capital, guys. So don't if you did not use that, then you will get a syntax error. So that's what you have to do. Okay, and then you define this, the sizes and all, the where, from where to where, and how you are just entering the data one after the other. So that's why you are having field should be bind. Return means it will go to that next field like that. So no doubt the program is lengthy, but it has just included so many comments for every session, and definitely I'm sure you guys will like it, and you easy to understand. Just a matter of entering the program and testing, that's it. But you need keep that in your mind that you have to create excel file also in that regard, and of course installation of OpenPyXL. I'm just executing this one, and you see that what will happen. I'll get a form, right? So now I'll just enter a new name here. Let us take Jafar, SHARWF, Jafar Sharif, and use tab as date as NCA. Okay, and semester is of 6 years. Okay, and then form number, you can just enter form number. Okay, this is the form number, and contact number, let us take dummy. This is dummy number. I'm just entering a dummy number, and then SHARWF@gmail.com. You can give anything, guys, here, and this is just a sample data. So whatever you want, Sanat Nagar, Hyderabad, Hyderabad. Okay, and once you click submit, it will go and add the record. So now what will happen? It is accessing. What is that? See, accessing. Somewhere I have made a mistake here. Let us see what is the error here. Okay, error, permission denied. Dell Excel. Okay. The file is in a reading format. Okay, no problem. I'll just show you that what will happen. I have to give the access to the file. Let us see that first. Where is that data file, so that you know that Excel exe. Yeah, this is the file here, right? So now see, sorry, you cannot open the workbook with the same name and same time. That's the thing is happening here. Okay, no problem. I'll just change it and see now. This is the file name, course and semester, form number, contact number, email ID, address, and all. Okay. What I will do, I'll just replace it with some other name, so that we can have it. Excel, and type new here, and let's see what will happen, and just save that one. Okay, it has been saved, right? Excel new. So in the program also, I'll just change it to new, and let's see Excel new, LEW. Okay. And is there any, apart from that, any other location you have that file name? You need to change it, guys. Okay, that is important. Yeah, you save here, and for saving also, right? We save here. Where is that save file name is also there, right? Okay, let me just yeah, here also there are two locations, and right now I'll execute it. Let's see. Same thing will enter Jafar Sharif only, so that we know that what will happen here. Jafar Sharif, and then course. What I click NCA, right? Okay, and the semester is 6 semesters, and then form number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, contact number. Let us take some numbers, and then email SHARWF@yahoo.com. Okay, and then address 2, 3, Okay, I'll just submit it. Let us, it should be capital. Okay, no problem. Let us just change. It doesn't look good. Let us have it like that. Okay, submit. It's added. See, Now I'll just go to the application and show you that that is the record I have added, right? So now let me Excel. I have to use exe and Excel new, right? That is the file. Yeah, here it's here. You see here. So now we have added, right? This is the record, Jafar Sharif and MCA, and this is the one, right? Okay. So I hope you got this one understand and. Sometime what happened this the first time when I execute what happened the file is not denied me. Why? Because it is the access mode is only read only. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and have a nice and wonderful time, guys. Keep learning, okay, and enjoy learning computer languages. Thank you so much and have a nice and wonderful time indeed.